Namaste and welcome to Puranic Stories. Today, we are exploring a special celebration in India, Hindi Divas. This day is dedicated to celebrating the Hindi language, its history, and its cultural significance. Hindi Divas, also known as Hindi Day, is celebrated on 14th September each year. It marks the adoption of Hindi as one of the official languages of India. It's a day to honor the richness and diversity of the Hindi language. The celebration of Hindi Divas traces back to 1949, when Hindi was adopted as one of the official languages of the Indian Republic by the Constituent Assembly. The decision was influenced by the efforts of Hindi scholars and the need for a unifying language in a linguistically diverse country. Hindi is not just a language, it's a bridge connecting millions of people across India. It's spoken by over 40% of the population and serves as a link between different linguistic communities, enhancing communication and cultural exchange. On Hindi Divas, various events are organized to celebrate the language. Schools and colleges conduct competitions in poetry, essay writing, and speeches. Cultural programs showcase the vibrant tradition of Hindi literature and arts. Hindi literature boasts many illustrious figures, such as Munshi Premchand, known for his poignant storytelling, and Mahadevi Verma, a celebrated poet. Their contributions have enriched the Hindi language and literature, inspiring generations. As we move forward, Hindi continues to evolve. With the rise of digital media, new generations are finding innovative ways to engage with the language. Hindi Divas is a reminder of the language's enduring legacy and importance in contemporary India. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Hindi Divas. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Puranic Stories for more fascinating tales from Indian culture and mythology. Dhanyavad and see you next time.